The effects of climate change are being increasingly felt around the world, with its impact extending across various ecosystems and affecting weather patterns, agriculture, and biodiversity. The Earth, as one interconnected and functioning ecosystem, experiences a chain reaction when changes occur at any level. One of the most significant consequences of climate change has been the rise in global temperatures. Over the past century, average temperatures have increased by approximately half a degree Celsius. And this seemingly small change has led to a wide range of unexpected and sometimes extreme natural events. Another effect is desertification and droughts. When due to extreme high temperatures, productive land is turned into desert, especially in arid regions. Heat and water shortages are harming crops and ecosystems. Alongside that, heat waves and dry conditions increase wildfire frequency and intensity. Wildfires destroy habitats, threaten species, and worsen air quality. Furthermore, climate change causes increased evaporation and precipitation, or rain, which results in more atmospheric moisture. Heavier rainfall raises water levels in rivers and lakes, causing floods which damage infrastructure, displace people, and destroy biodiversity in whole regions. The climate changes that increase desertification, wildfires, and floods cause loss of biodiversity. The rapid environmental changes disrupt ecosystems, species struggle to adapt, leading to extinctions and food chain disruption. They have great impact on agriculture and human life. Crops fail, and changing growing seasons threaten food security. Human societies face economic losses, displacement, and health risks. Climate change creates a domino effect of extreme weather, environmental degradation, and biodiversity loss. We need to take global action immediately to reduce emissions, adapt to changes, and protect both natural ecosystems and human livelihoods.